Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of 2026, the Ford Ranger Raptor. Known for blending rugged off-road capability with cutting-edge design and tech, this next-generation Ranger Raptor is raising the bar yet again. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this beast of a truck. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor boasts a more aggressive and futuristic look compared to its predecessors. Up front, it features a bold, blacked-out grille with the signature Ford lettering that dominates the fascia. The LED headlights are sleeker, sharper, and equipped with dynamic lighting technology that adjusts to the terrain for maximum visibility. The wider stance and flared wheel arches give it a commanding road presence, while the 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires ensure it's ready to tackle the toughest trails. Around the back, you'll find a redesigned tailgate with bold Raptor badging and integrated LED taillights that mirror the front's modern aesthetic. The high ground clearance and skid plates complete the truck's rugged, off-road-ready appearance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ranger Raptor doesn't just walk the walk, it roars. Under the hood, it's powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 EcoBoost engine that delivers an impressive 418 horsepower and 440 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain ensures smooth and responsive performance, whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing steep trails. The advanced Fox live valve suspension system is specifically tuned for off-road adventures, providing unparalleled comfort and control over rough terrain. The truck also features multiple drive modes, including Baja mode, which optimizes the engine, suspension, and traction control for high-speed desert runs. With a reinforced chassis and an upgraded four-wheel drive system, the Ranger Raptor is engineered to handle anything nature throws its way. Moving inside, the 2026 Ranger Raptor offers a refined yet rugged interior that perfectly complements its exterior. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with premium materials that blend durability and comfort. The seats are upholstered in a mix of leather and suede, with bold Raptor branding stitched into the headrests. They're not just stylish, they're also heavily bolstered to keep you secure during off-road escapades. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable displays for navigation, off-road data, and performance metrics. Alongside it is a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Ford's latest Sync 5 software, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of connected services. The sound system, developed in collaboration with Bang Olufsen, delivers crystal-clear audio, whether you're enjoying your favorite playlist or navigating turn-by-turn directions. The Ranger Raptor also packs some unique features that set it apart from the competition. One standout is the trail control system, which works like cruise control for off-roading, allowing you to focus on steering while the truck handles acceleration and braking. Another game-changer is the advanced 360-degree camera system with off-road views, giving you unparalleled visibility of your surroundings. For nighttime adventures, the Raptor comes with auxiliary off-road lighting mounted on the roof, ensuring the path ahead is always well lit. Additionally, the new over-the-air update feature means your truck will stay up to date with the latest software enhancements, improving everything from navigation to performance over time. And for those who love personalizing their rides, Ford offers a range of factory-backed accessories, including roof racks, bed storage systems, and even custom graphics. Finally, let's talk about safety. The 2026 Ranger Raptor comes loaded with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. For off-road enthusiasts, there's also roll stability control and hill descent control to keep you confident and secure on tricky terrain. Ford has truly gone the extra mile to ensure this truck is as safe as it is capable. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned to Futuristic Rides for more in-depth reviews of the hottest upcoming vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates. See you in the next one.